Losing weight as a vegan. How quickly can vegans lose weight? If they consume a diet high in whole plant foods, vegans can shed pounds quickly. Consuming whole, unprocessed foods including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds will do this. Compared to typical Western diets, these foods are low in calories and high in nutrients. This makes it simple for vegans to lose weight quickly by creating a calorie deficit. Can a vegan diet help you lose weight? While many people do initially lose weight when they switch to a vegan diet, it is not always the case. It largely depends on what you ate before going vegan and what you eat now. You probably won't lose weight if you merely moved from eating processed junk food to vegan junk food. A healthy vegan diet centered on plants, however, can help with weight loss and weight maintenance. Keep an energy deficit. The idea of weight loss is actually fairly straightforward. You'll lose weight if you burn more calories than you take in, from food and beverages. Center on fiber. Despite having no calories, fiber is nourishing and filling. Fiber, which cannot be absorbed by the body because it is indigestible, is frequently only assumed to aid irregular bowel motions. However, we have countless tiny helpers in the form of bacteria that can digest fiber in our colon. Pick whole grains. Choose whole grain bread instead of white bread. My preferred bread is the sprouted grain variety called Ezekiel. No added sugar or fat, and plenty of grains high in fiber. Eat and drink more water. Reduce liquid calories by increasing your water intake. Alcohol, energy, sports drinks, juices, and other liquid calories can be heavy in empty calories and sweets, which can mess with your metabolism. Discontinue oils. In essence, oil is just pure fat. Fiber and the majority of the nutrients that are linked to fiber have been removed. 120 mainly empty calories make up 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you need inspirations for vegan recipes, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.